So you want to know the truth about the marriage contract in Trinidad and Tobago? Well, I'm an attorney at law, so let's talk about it. I know a lot of people think that marriage is just a piece of paper, but this paper actually creates rights, benefits, legal recognition, and even financial responsibilities, all of which I will go through in this video. So, what does the marriage contract do besides making you husband and wife to live together? Well, if you take the romance out of the equation, the marriage contract is a legally binding contract between you and your spouse for life, unless you come to an attorney at law to obtain a divorce, like a lot of my clients. It is worth noting that in Trinidad and Tobago, same-sex marriage is not legal, so all marriage will be in the context of heterosexual relationships. But did you know that your religion will dictate which law governs how you form your union? Hindu marriages falls under the Hindu Marriage Act. Muslim marriages falls under the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Act. Orisha marriages fall under the Orisha Marriage Act. And Christian and civil marriages, civil meaning not of a religious denomination, those marriages fall under the Marriage Act, which was amended by the Miscellaneous Provisions Marriages Act. Yes. Now here are some of the rights, benefits, and legal recognitions and even financial responsibilities that come along with the marriage contract. There are tax benefits when you file jointly with your spouse. There are even estate planning benefits in terms of your inheritance as someone's spouse. There are government benefits, for example, should your spouse become disabled. There are employment benefits, like being able to join your partner's health insurance through their employer, if their employer provides health insurance. Also, the right to take time off to care for them if they become ill. Decision-making benefits. Should your spouse become ill, you as the legal spouse of this person will be the one to make their medical decisions should they become incapacitated. There are financial support benefits should your relationship end in a divorce. There would be a more equitable division of your assets, as well as providing financial support. And there are lots of consumer benefits, such as reduced rates for families when purchasing health insurance, various other types of insurance, home ownership mortgages. Sometimes you get a discount for being a family. Now here are some of the financial responsibilities. Of course, there is a financial responsibility to take care of children of the marriage. There is also inheriting your spouse's debts. When your spouse passes away, you as the widowed spouse now has the responsibility to pay off their debts. Whilst you're married, you share any property acquired during that marriage. And upon divorce, sometimes you will acquire the responsibility to financially support your ex-spouse. Now, I hope that this was helpful in giving you a more informed view of the legal side of marriage, not the emotional side. And let me know what you think in the comments about all of these benefits and legal recognitions, as well as the responsibilities you acquire.